Has this ever happened to you?
No. No, where is it? Where's the sauce? No!
But thanks to the magic of modern technology, you won't have to go all the way to the store and buy another thing of pot stickers just for the sauce, because today, I'm going to show you how to make your own pot sticker sauce. So, you start by, well, obviously you start by making your pot stickers. I mean, it doesn't have to be pot stickers, it could be anything really, but yeah, there's my ingredients. So, you'll need soy sauce, vinegar. I mean, if you're on a budget, you can use white vinegar. Rice vinegar is preferable, but hey, this is called budget cooking. It's not, yeah. And then, yeah, just a little bit of sugar and some a crushed red pepper of your choice. I like to use Aleppo pepper, but yeah, you can use pretty much any kind of crushed red pepper. This sauce is a blend of salty, sour, sweet, and just a little bit of spicy. So, yeah, you start by pouring your hot sauce into a little pan, a little saucepan, if you will, and heating that up. You add just a splash of vinegar, and you get yourself, you get yourself 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Pardon the shaky cam. Yeah, that's a good girl. And then shaking a healthy sprinkling of crushed red pepper. Grab yourself a wooden spoon. Start stirring that bad boy up. Keep on stirring till the sugar's dissolved, and then just beat the devil out of your spoon. Then you set the spoon down, and it falls onto the stove and causes a house fire, but not really. So, once your sauce is made, you just kill the heat, pour it back into the bowl that your soy sauce was in originally, give it a little taste test. Good. And then you just go ahead and dip some pot stickers in after throwing together the saddest looking plate of pot stickers and rice you've ever made. Whew! That's damn good. Yeah, it also goes good on rice. You can put it on pretty much anything, really. It's not exclusively pot sticker sauce. Just make sure you have a napkin handy. And there you go. That's how you make your own pot sticker sauce right in your kitchen with ingredients you probably already have on hand. So, if you enjoyed this video, then no further actions required on your part, and we'll see you next episode.